Dear Diary, today I sat by the window looking at the rain. I started to smile as I thought about how I would run outside. During summer rain as a child, I remembered how free I felt, how good the rain felt, how much I laughed as I ran back and forth. I sighed and thought I wish I could feel that again. Then suddenly it hit me, I can feel like that again. Just because I am an adult, it doesn't mean I can't do the things that made me happy. So I threw on my shoes and went for a walk. It was the best decision. I had so much fun walking in the rain. The thunder, the heavy raindrops, the smell in the air, the feeling of the raindrop on my skin, all took me back to that little girl that ran outside giggling, running and dancing in the rain. Happiness came over me. Today, I built a new core memory to remember another 20 years from now. This moment brought a poem to my heart. The rain knocked gently on the glass, like a memory asking to come in. It whispered of barefoot summers, of laughter soaked in sky. I answered with a yes, not in words, but with steps into the storm, where thunder clapped like joy and every drop reminded me she's still here, the girl who danced in the rain. Love, Iris.